laugh at me. I've used P38 before, but I've never used P40. I'm assuming it's the same thing. Screwdriver. Right, where was I? It might be. I wasn't sure if it's going to be strong enough, but looks as though it might be. I think I've done. Right, any in here? Just a bit. Okay. Right, so this is the one obviously for fiberglass. P40. What to do with your oil? Melts. Well, I'm going to put the top on that in case it rains. And then I'll get this hardener and I'll put what's supposed to be up 10%. Get out the way. Off you go. That's it. There you go. A bit more. One more bit for that. That's it. Not too much. Otherwise the hardener will go hard. Right, whoop. And the top's come off. Okay. Oh, I see. So you put that in there now. I see. Okay. Right, got that. Got that. Good. Right, put that back over there. Wipe that off my hand from the instruction booklet. Now this is an instruction booklet. I don't know if you've ever seen one before, but apparently it's got the instructions on how to do it, but there we go. Okay, now let's get this going. Now it's going to be a case of let's see how this works. And as I said to you, I've never done P40 before. This is the first bit I want to try. I'm assuming. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, well, it's not really going on as I thought it might, but as I say, I've never done it before, so it's not worth asking me if I'm doing it right. I'm sure someone will tell me if I'm doing it right. Putting too much on, putting not enough on. I'm sure that bit will come. There we go. Right, so I'm going to do that. What I'm trying to do really is just to build up the bit that's got a bit cracked and broken, so that I can put some more fiberglass bits on the front and it will work. It'll look alright, hopefully. Oh, I see. I think it's going to be one of them where you got to do a few bits. Okay, right, just do that bit like that, that bit there like that. Okay, I'll run that. Somebody's got a new siren. There we go. Oh, I see. Oh, that's not too good. Too bad. I'll just have to rub that down. Hopefully. Okay. Which I did try to put the tape in, but it didn't work to how I wanted it to work, so hey ho. Let's try bit of this instead. The way the weather's been in February and into January, I haven't really been able to give this this bit I want to do a finishing coat, so it's all been rubbed smoothly, as smooth can be. So let's try a bit of this. This is going to be direct to rust, it says, but there we go. Metal paint, smooth red. Say one thing though, this stuff's not cheap, but it's supposed to last a long time. So there we are. Let's hope it does. For people who do not know, this one here did break a little while ago, but at least it would sort of go up, if you see what I mean. But now it don't want to do anything, but at least that one is also still stuck in there. Now the other side, as you can see, has broken off. It has literally sheared off from that nut. So that's come off there. I don't think any double-sided tape is going to really help with that one. And the other end, of course, is... No, not that bit. Well, I'll see it in a minute. The other bit is in there. So I'm going to have to undo those 4 screws. I think there's bolts inside, if I remember rightly, as well, and then just take the whole lot of this off. And then the only way to put the awning out then is to get rid of these arms and then just tie it up. You just have a bit of a losing my flip's going to be a bit of a bugger to roll in though, but there you go. And have to do it like that. Yeah, okay, so put that on the to-do jobs for tomorrow. Just another one, that is. The other thing I have done is I've changed the CCTV cameras. There's one of them, and you go around the other side, and there's another one, and then where's the other one? Oh, the other one's on the other side. Okay. There's that one there, which is just by the door. The other place that I did put a reversing camera, believe it or not, was under here. But I'm having trouble with this one going, or actually working. So what I might do is change that for another camera. I'm not sure yet. Well, I'll have to change it, but I don't know. Let's have a think about that one. I'm going to say it again. No, I've never got round to doing it though. But these lights are going to have to come off. That one.
using that one because they are absolutely useless. It's the only way to describe it, absolutely useless. So the question is, who likes wiring? Well, okay, so as you can see, I'm rewiring. It looks worse than it is, should I say that? Hopefully most of them will be able to be changed and moved. The little monitor for the CCTV camera is there, but I will be able to also watch it on the big one. So this is the one outside. This one over, where are you? Here, that is there. Okay, next to Googie with us. And then we've got the outside one. Now I have a mixture of, thank you, 1080p, 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels 2K cameras, and it seems to work on this one. So yep, so anyway, a bit more about that to come, to say the least. Yeah, they call them click and play or plug and play stuff, which is true. You plug them in and they'll just work. They work really easily. The main problem is if you want to hide the wiring, and I think it's worse if it's indoors as well, because you've got to run a power to each end. Yeah, so more about that to come. Now I did originally have these, which are wireless Wi-Fi ones, but I had 4 of them, and every single one wants a different wireless signal, where the new one will just run on one wireless signal, which you can get to your phone. I'll show you how good that looks. So many people have done the tutorials on how these are easy plug and play stuff. Yeah, so I will show you the little bits that they don't show. There were some bits that they don't show, obviously, because they obviously want to sell them, because everybody wants to sell them. This is my Sky, what's it called? Sky Q box. And the satellite unit, of course, the satellite dish itself is in the back. So the wire goes out through there, up there, through there, and round and out. More about that. But it does work. It's sitting on the back of the bus at the moment, and it's just a case of pointing and turning it around. I think the dish cost me about 40 quid, if I remember rightly, with a piece of wire. I had to get an extra wire with the yeah, but it had a single LMB when it turned up, so I had to change it for the Sky Q LMB. And yeah, so hey ho, because the Sky Q LMB, well, actually is different to all the other LMBs. You have to get a certain Sky Q LMB